Right, so we're going to be painting the calipers in blaze orange. It's going to look pretty cool in a satin version. So what we'll do is, obviously we cleaned them already, so it's all fully cleaned, degreased. Then the next stage is to scotch it. So we've already scotched this one down. We use red scotch pads, but you can use 600, 800, something like that. So yeah, obviously you have to make sure that it's fully covered. You don't want any overspray on the car. So we've covered the full car, and even sort of under the car as well. You don't want anything sort of travelling under. So next stage is primer.
So the primer's done. Now how many coats of primer are on there?
It's pretty much 2.5. So one sort of dust in, and then sort of 2 heavier ones on top. A lot of times where we do poles, we have to put like a silver on, and then it actually pops through. Okay. But because this is matched to a bit of vinyl, this is sufficient. This is how it's made, so you don't have to put a silver underneath.